As I'm leaving from work, I realize it's snowing. I haven't seen snow here since we moved here, and I haven't seen snow at all since 2008. I noticed it started snowing heavier on my way home. This is the only type of snow that we're used to here in Texas. The snow kept coming, but I figure it's not going to stick. It never sticks. It'll be gone soon. It was very beautiful though. And then the snow actually started to stick to the ground. The wind blew Aaron's snowman over. Aaron had never seen snow, and he was really scared of it at first. He got over it and he started playing with our Christmas decoration projector. He was having a lot of fun. He wanted to play with the little tiny snowman that we made out of snow.
And heart and arms. So cute. Let's eat it. You want the dog?
You want to eat it?
Yes.
Well, bite his head.
No.
Bite it. You took the head off.
Hey, baby, go show again.
Put it on his body.
Look.
No, just bring it up.
Where'd the eyes go?
Oh, I guess the eyes fell off. I walked around in the snow so I can hear that crunch. I've never really experienced that before. Aaron wanted to try to taste the snow. He liked it. Is it yummy?
Is the snow yummy, Aaron? You like it?
I like it.
You like it? Bite it.
We had a white winter. Only for one day, but we still had it. A day later, and all the plants have been damaged from the snow. Now we're gonna have to buy new ones. Everything is back to normal and Aaron continues to play with the snowman.
Look, it's so cute. So cute. We touching the hair thing. You see?
This was our little mini snowstorm and Aaron's first experience with snow.